So, I'm Nick. He's Nick. You guys probably already know that.
I'm sorry that I'm not in the video. I'm not allowed to get my face in.
Well, I am, because every time I
One
I know
problem.
that, Nick.
that's going to be short in the
Yes.
description.
That's just one problem.
I'm also going to put my Instagram. Right? You do my put on Instagram?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. So you guys just go follow and subscribe. My goal is to get to at least 600 subscribers.
Which is actually a great achievement for everyone here.
Then if I have to get 1,000, I wish they can have at least make a 1,000 play button or 500. I'll get it already.
I bet you're probably going to be the next PewDiePie.
There's probably
No,
a
you're
0%
not.
chance.
No, but in a few years you probably will.
Okay, anyway, so this video is gonna be a Nerf. So Nick is gonna show all his Nerf guns. So he's just going upstairs to get something. So I just click the thumbs down. We're gonna start the video. See you guys soon.